Okay, let's do our pink one again first. So now you want to be careful not to put too much pressure on this, because we just want to pick up those highlights. So, and when I did my little muck around play this morning, I had powder where I didn't want it. So you do have to be quite mindful of this one, and perhaps just doing long strokes rather than, see how I was dabbing it before, but if we did long strokes, that would probably eliminate picking up some of that flat background. We'll do that. Okay, let's get some white ink on there and have a paintbrush handy to flick off any excess that you don't want on here. All right, so, and I'll probably end up dumping the whole container. I'll try not to dump the whole container on there. How about that? So let's go shaking around and shaking down to the side, to the other side. Whoa, I'm gonna make a mess. I just know it. Alrighty, have a look how this is gonna turn out. Spectacular. All right. Yep, Grit City. And of course you can do this in any color embossing powder you like. Silver would probably be good. Actually gold, ugh, I'm gonna be a mess. Gold on that brown might be nice. Should I try that? Just for something different. So I noticed that this time I haven't picked up, actually I have picked up a little bit. You know what, I'm not going to worry about it. I was going to dust it off, but if you need to dust off, just grab a paintbrush and just get those areas. I think there's something up there. But down around here is pretty good. I didn't actually get a lot of excess. So, see. All right. Oh, and this is where we go. Can we go any faster, please? So should I try gold on one of those other ones? I'll bring the brown in. Let's see whether you think I should do gold. It's a big area to emboss. Yes, gold. I think we're nearly there. There we go. Gold. Okay, let's definitely do gold. I just have to get it out of my drawer. Okay, so that is our full-on piece, and here is our subtle piece. So you can really see, that's why I said one will be full on and one will be subtle. So I think I still like the subtle one, but you can definitely be going for different. Like this one, you could do a big happy birthday or something. This one might be a little bit more thinking of you type of thing. So, you know, definitely be playing around with these. I like them both, to be honest. Like when I was looking at these before I saw this one, it was like, oh, that's really pretty. But of course, then you see something like that and it's just like, whoa, in your face.